I posted a video of the restoration of this Zodiac, and of course it wasn't a restoration. I didn't repair the tow hook, and I painted it a non-standard colour. So I decided to revisit the thing and restore it. There's the missing tow hook, and there's the non-standard colour. I started the repair by cutting a blank from a plastic luggage tag. And there is the piece that I'm going to use to make the tow hook. I marked the position of the tow ball using a pin. That's whereabouts I think it should be. And then I punched a hole in the plastic using a hot pin. A small section of the same pin was left in there and glued and trimmed to size. Looks a bit raggy now, but I went on to reinforce it with super glue and baking soda and a fair bit of filing and sanding made it look somewhat respectable. The casting went into a paint stripper this time to remove that blue paint. And with the paint removed, I clean up using the Dremel and the wire brush. That was followed by brushing with wire wool, and then the casting was washed in turpentine. There's the casting and the base more or less finished. Well, the tow hook looking a little bit tatty, but it gets better. I mixed paint very close to the original paint using Tamiya white, dark blue and a very small amount of yellow to give it that greenish tinge to the blue that's found on the original models. It got 2 coats of this paint and was left to dry overnight, and I did not use lacquer, clear lacquer on it. The finish was good enough without lacquer. There's the completed paintwork, looking just like the original. I fit the base using a 2mm screw, and the job's just about complete. This time it's been restored. I still have the details to paint, but as I said before, I'm not very good at that. The tow hook is a bit bigger than the standard, but it's the best I could do. please give me a thumbs up, and if you feel like it, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.